Hello guys, prenups aren't just for ultra wealthy. They are for anyone who wants clarity and protection before marriage. In this video, we'll break down how LegalZoom's prenuptial agreement services works and whether the document it provides are legally enforceable in your estate. So, a prenup sets financial expectations in case of divorce or death. It can cover property rights, debts, and spousal support. LegalZoom helps couples draft an agreement that reflects both partners' wishes while meeting general legal standards. On LegalZoom, search for Prenuptial Agreement by navigating to the search bar and typing in Prenuptial Agreement. After you search this, you will get different kind of search results where you'll have to click on any option that says Prenuptial Agreements. Now, when you click here, it will take you to another page where you'll have to click on Get Legal Advice button. After you do this, you'll have to click on Start My Prenup button and it will start the step-by-step form. You will provide the basic details about each partner, assets, debts, and what each person wants to protect. It's all done online, no office visits, no pressure. LegalZoom allows for flexible clauses. You can add terms about inheritance, business ownership, or who keeps what if things go south. They also include a summary explanation with each clause, so you know what you're agreeing to. Also, here's where enforceability matters. For a prenup to hold up in court, it must be signed voluntarily, with full financial disclosure and ideally with each partner having their own legal counsel. LegalZoom provides the framework, but attorney review is strongly recommended. Once completed, you download the agreement and print it for signing. And LegalZoom advises signing in front of a notary, and some states may require witnesses. So, store it securely and make sure each partner has a copy. Also, LegalZoom's prenup service offers a cost-effective, guided way to start the conversation and the paperwork. Just remember, the final document's enforceability often depends on how it's signed and reviewed. For full protection, pair it with independent legal advice. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.